So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can also create a broadcast for your own e-commerce store to notify all your customers about the price drop. So to do this, open the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab, search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Over here in the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. Then log in inside Pabbly Chatflow and open your dashboard. After you open the dashboard, make sure that you have added WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you wish to learn how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, a video tutorial dedicated to its same is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. As you can see that I have already added my WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. So let's move on further and create this broadcast. So to create this broadcast, first of all you have to prepare few things. What are those? First of all, you have to go towards this template list. You have to prepare a message you're going to send, or you can say a template you're going to send towards all the contacts. So over here, as you can see, I've already created this template. If you want to create a template, click on this add template button. You can create a template right over here. If you wish to learn in detail about this template section or how to create a template, a video tutorial dedicated to its same is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Alright, as you can see, I'm going to use this template and I've already created this template before starting creating my broadcast. The second thing which you have to keep in mind is that you go towards this contact section. You have a contact list to which you want to send this broadcast. So as you can see, I want to send this broadcast to this contact list which is named testing. So I have this contact list and I'm just going to send this message to all the contacts in this list only. If you wish to create a new contact list, click on this add contact button and you're going to see the option of add bulk contacts. So go towards this add bulk contacts. It is asking to upload a CSV file. So from where you're going to get this? For that, add the details of all the contacts in a Google Sheet. Make sure that you add name, phone and also the tag. Now go towards this file, download and download this in CSV format and then upload it right over here. Once you upload this CSV file URL, automatically you can upload bulk contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. So yes, now let's create the broadcast after we have the contact list and the template ready. And in order to create this broadcast, from the left hand of the side, go towards this broadcast section and open it. Now click on this add broadcast button. It is saying type of the broadcast, so select it as broadcast campaign. For the broadcast name, enter the name. So let's say I'm just going to enter it as price drop. Now for the contact list, select the list you wish to send this broadcast to. Further, if you wish to learn about contacts or any another section in detail, a video tutorial is attached in the description box below. Apart from that, if you have any doubts, you can comment it below in the comment section. We will make sure that your request, concerns and doubts are solved. So yes, you can see now after selecting the contact list, first of all, you can select multiple contact lists right over here. It totally depends upon you. Alright. Now it is saying select message type. So over here we have to select pre-approved template message or regular message. It totally depends upon you. If you wish, you can definitely use a regular message too right over here. I'm just going to use this template message because we have already created the template and it's ready. Now go towards this select WhatsApp template and select the template right over here. Now it is asking me for the body field one. So what is this body field one? So as you can see, when I send this WhatsApp message, in front of this hi, I mentioned the name of my customer. This looks a more personalized WhatsApp message because we can send WhatsApp messages to multiple contacts, but to send personalized WhatsApp messages to multiple contacts is a task. So yes, this is the main key feature of this broadcast. Using Pabbly Chatflow, you can send personalized messages to all the contacts, like multiple contacts in a single click. Alright, so for that, what we are going to do is we're going to add the body field one value, which is the name right over here of a lead. But how can we make it dynamic? So for that, you have to go towards this left hand of the side, towards the settings, and then open this contact custom fields in a new tab. Now in this contact custom fields, you're going to see that if you have recently created your Pabbly Chatflow account, you will definitely going to see these four options. The rest are added by me, so might be possible that you can't see many more. apart from these four. But you can see that we have this name. So let's say if you want to replace this name right over here, you can simply copy this name field name, then go towards the select WhatsApp template, and now for the body field one, paste $name. So now what is going to happen is that this $name is going to replace with the lead name or with the customer name every time we send an automated WhatsApp message. So yes, you can see that we have successfully entered this body field one. Now click on this done. After we click on this done, it is saying username and mobile number, so we can test the broadcast once. So let's say I'm just going to enter the username right over here and the mobile number, and we're going to test this broadcast once. For that, click on this send test message right over here, and as you can see, it is saying test broadcast send. So let's open our WhatsApp, and yes, we have received it right over here. So yes, you can see that over here we have received hi demo lead, the name is dynamic, yes, and the rest of the message. So yes, we have received this, and this broadcast is perfectly fine. I've checked the message and everything. Now I can schedule it or run it for all my contacts too. All right, after testing this broadcast, we have two options: schedule broadcast, yes, schedule it for later, or no, send instantly. So you have two options. Let's say you want to notify your customers about the price drop instantly, then you can go towards this no, send instantly, and click on this add broadcast button, and instantly the WhatsApp message is going to be sent to all the contacts in this list which we have. This broadcast is going to run instantly. But if you want to schedule it for later, you can go towards this yes, schedule for later, and you can set the date and time right over here. First of all, make sure the format of the date and time. So as you can see, this is the format: month, date, year. So first of all, enter the month and make sure that you enter the future date and time, because if you enter something related to past, the broadcast is going to run instantly. Alright, so for future, I'm just going to schedule it for 2nd of December 2025. For the time, I'm just going to keep it as 12 p.m. right over here. And to schedule this, I'm just going to click on this add broadcast. Now you're going to see that we have successfully added this broadcast right over here, and it is scheduled for 2nd of December 2025. On 2nd of December 2025, everyone I had in that list will be sent a message, WhatsApp message, something like this, notifying them about the price drop or something like this. And further, if you want to view the statics, you can also view the stats over here. You can go to its view stats and you can view the stats: how many messages were sent, how many were delivered, how many were read, and how many were ignored right over here. You can also check all the stats. So yes, with this we have successfully learned how we can also create a broadcast for our own e-commerce store and send an automated WhatsApp message to all our customers at once. So yes, now go try this amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow by yourself, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. This means that you can send an automated WhatsApp message to 100 of customers for free. Yes, you heard it right. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. If you wish to learn about any feature of Pabbly Chatflow in detail from this left end of the site, a video tutorial is attached in the description box below too. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.